Avoiding pitfalls. Mastering reflexive pronouns. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to dive deep into a common grammar pitfall in English: incorrect usage of reflexive pronouns. By the end of this video, you'll have a good grasp of what reflexive pronouns are and how to avoid the common mistakes people often make when using them. Before we dive into the mistakes, let's make sure we understand what reflexive pronouns are. In English, reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object of the sentence are the same person or thing. They're words like myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. For instance, if you did something by yourself, you might say, I did it myself. Now, let's jump into the mistakes that people often make. 1. Mistake: using reflexive pronouns instead of personal pronouns. Reflexive pronouns should not replace subject or object pronouns. They are used for emphasis or to indicate that the action is performed and received by the same subject. A common mistake would be to say, my friend and myself went to the park. In this sentence, the correct usage would be, my friend and I went to the park. 2. Mistake: adding unnecessary reflexive pronouns. Another common error is adding a reflexive pronoun when it's not needed. For example, it's incorrect to say, I'm going to the store myself, unless you want to emphasize that you're going alone or not sending someone else. Otherwise, simply say, I'm going to the store. Remember, the best way to avoid these mistakes is by practicing. Use these reflexive pronouns in your everyday English conversations and writing. Try to spot other people's usage and see if you can identify correct and incorrect usage of reflexive pronouns. This will not only help you to understand when and how to use them, but it will also make you more confident in your English grammar skills. We hope you found this video on common mistakes with reflexive pronouns helpful. Remember, it's perfectly fine to make mistakes. It's a natural part of the learning process. The key is to learn from them and keep practicing. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.